This is so cool. I love it. Let me show you how I put it together. To get that lampshade, all you need is these 3 pieces here. So this came as a twin set. I already have the one put together, but I wanted to show you how easy this is to put together. So you're going to get the lampshade rolled up like this. Beautiful scene all around. Love it. And then on the inside here, on the top and the bottom are these little clips. So besides the lampshades, you do get instructions, and that just shows you clip the clips on. And if you're going to do a shade that goes on a lamp, you're going to do it this way. Okay. And then if you're going to do a hanging lamp, you're going to do it this way. So this part is higher. But I'm doing both of mine on regular lamps. So we're going to go ahead. See if you can see that. Oop. And clip. Just pops right in there. Super easy. And there's no specific place that you need to line this up. So you're going to do that. So I've got the top part on now. I'm going to flip it over, put the bottom ring on. And there. So yeah, super easy. It takes about, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute to assemble the whole thing. And then there's Velcro here. So now I'm just going to make sure I've got this pulled and attach. Very easy. So that's where I did the Velcro. Right. And then here is the whole lampshade. Absolutely stunning. I love it.